You're under arrest for mocking an officer on live TV.
Mocking? I'm giving you free PR, Donut Boy.
You think this is a joke?
With that tie? Absolutely.
One more word and you're in a cage.
Cage? You already live in one. It's called ego.
You've caused 47 incidents this week.
Only 47? I'm slipping.
This is a serious press briefing.
Your tie says otherwise.
Stop mocking my uniform.
I'm not mocking. I'm observing. Big difference.